Welcome to AI Gadgets Wave. Today's our in-depth look at the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. Let's go through the user experience to see genuine insights and answer the most common questions about this popular smart speaker and how kids will love learning and playing with Alexa too. Let's get started. Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation has AI features. Yes, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen includes AI-powered features through Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant. 1. Natural Language Processing, NLP. Alexa uses AI-based NLP to understand voice commands and questions in English and Hindi. It can interpret accents, tones, and context over time. 2. Machine Learning for Smart Routines. Alexa learns user behavior and preferences to suggest or automate routines like turning on lights in the evening, adjusting the AC based on temperature, suggesting music or news. 3. Voice recognition, multiple voice profiles with AIA. I helps Alexa recognize different voices in the household, offering personalized responses like when a parent says, "Alexa, what's on my calendar?" It reads their work meetings. When a child says, "Alexa, play my songs," it plays child-friendly music from their Spotify Kids profile. When another family member says, "Alexa, what's the weather?" it responds with updates based on their saved location. This is possible because Alexa uses AI to recognize voices and switch profiles automatically, giving each person a personalized experience. 4. Smart Home Automation. Alexa uses AI to process device data, like motion or temperature, and trigger smart actions, e.g., turning off lights when no motion is detected or adjusting AC automatically. 5. Conversational AI. Ongoing improvements allow Alexa to continue conversations, understand follow-ups, and improve over time via cloud-based AI updates. So according to the features, it's hands-free control. With just voice commands, it's possible to manage smart lights, plugs, TVs, ACs, and more. Many users mention that it simplifies routines, whether turning off lights while in bed or starting the AC with a single phrase. This generation introduces built-in motion detection. When someone enters a room, smart lights can turn on automatically. It's especially useful in kitchens, bathrooms, or during late-night movement. However, the sensor mainly detects major motions, such as walking, and might not register minor activities like typing. Also, motion-triggered routines activate only once every 30 minutes. A built-in temperature sensor allows Alexa to sense the room's climate and adjust smart AC settings accordingly. According to users, this feature enhances comfort, helping avoid overly cold nights or hot afternoons. Beyond its smart capabilities, this speaker functions as a helpful assistant. It handles tasks like paying bills, setting alarms and reminders, starting timers, creating shopping lists, and reading news updates. Many reviews highlight its efficiency, especially when multitasking in the kitchen or managing daily schedules. Children find Alexa engaging and interactive. It answers questions, plays quizzes, tells bedtime stories, and shares fun facts. Screen-free and hand-free fun. Parents often highlight its educational value with added safety through customizable parental controls available in the Alexa app. Now come to the FAQs with Answer. Does it have a built-in battery? No, it requires constant power via the included adapter. Can it connect to Bluetooth devices? Yes, it supports Bluetooth connectivity for streaming audio. Is it compatible with all smart home devices? It works with many, but not all. Compatibility depends on the device and its integration with Alexa. How do I set it up? Simply plug it in, download the Alexa app, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and your Amazon account. So, this was the Amazon Echo Dot 5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and share.